Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-AMG GT versus the BMW M5. We'll dive into their performance, handling, and overall driving experience to help you decide which luxury sports sedan is right for you. The AMG GT is known for its raw power and track-focused design, while the M5 balances high performance with everyday usability. Let's explore what makes each of these incredible machines stand out. When it comes to handling, the Mercedes-AMG GT typically offers a more direct and aggressive feel, prioritizing track performance. Its lower center of gravity contributes to exceptional cornering abilities. In contrast, the BMW M5 provides a more refined ride, with its all-wheel drive system offering superior traction and stability in various conditions. Both cars deliver an engaging driving experience, but with distinct philosophies. Inside, the Mercedes-AMG GT presents a luxurious two-seater cabin, emphasizing sportiness and high-end finishes. It's designed for the driver who values an intimate connection with the road. The BMW M5, however, offers a more practical four-door layout, providing ample space for passengers and luggage. Its interior blends luxury with advanced technology, making it a versatile choice for daily driving and longer trips. Ultimately, choosing between the Mercedes-AMG GT and the BMW M5 depends on your personal driving preferences and lifestyle needs. If you crave a pure sports car experience with a focus on performance and style, the AMG GT might be your ideal choice. If you need a high-performance sedan that offers both exhilarating speed and practical usability for a family, the M5 stands out. Be sure to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals. Both cars deliver incredible value for their segment, offering a blend of luxury, power, and advanced engineering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.